Chris Caswell here with LVI America. In this video I'm going to take you through the functions and features with the MagniLink S Premium 2 connected to my Chromebook. Before we get started, I would like to show you how to open the product in 3 simple steps like that. I can place it very close to my computer to save space if I have limited that. I can go distance viewing with the camera. I can point it to myself to do a selfie viewing, and of course down on the paper. The product comes in a very nice carrying bag, so it's easy for me to take it back home or between classes. Also, this product works on all 3 platforms: Mac, PC and Chromebook. And like I said, in this video we're going to go deeper into the Chromebook features and functions. You have to connect it with one cord that comes with the product, like that. I'm gonna place it over here and point at this paper. So you do not have any battery on the product. It takes the power from the computer. So you or your student doesn't need to worry about charging the battery at any time. First time I'm connecting this device into my Chromebook, I need to go to the Google Web Store where I search for MagniLink or LVI or Chrome Viewer, and I will find the app, and I simply just download the app into my Chromebook, connect the device, and I'm ready to go. So now you can see we are up and running. I will angle the paper a little more properly here, like that. I do have a couple of basic features and functions and some more advanced. So first of all, I can control my device with some functions here on the base. I have all functions available under short commands on my keyboard, and I also have an icon bar that you can see over here. If I have, like I have in this case, touch screen on my Chromebook, I can touch the screen on any of these icons and control it that way as well. I can also do the pinching to zoom in and out. Or like I said, use my short commands on the keyboard. In this case, it's arrow up and arrow down to make it larger and smaller. Another thing is the artificial colors. I can adjust the colors to whatever my need would be. The good thing here is when I've found my favorite contrast, it's easy to go back to natural and toggle between my favorite and natural back and forth. Could be useful when I'm having, for example, text and also picture, maybe a colored diagram or colored map or something that I also need to work on. I'll go over to full color, and then when I'm continuing with the text, I go over to my contrast. A couple of other functions will be how to save images and video record. I can do that either up here in the icon bar where it says picture save and video record. So I simply just press those icons, or I use the short commands, which will be Control P for saving a picture and Control M for saving a video. So Control P, and I just saved what we see on this window into my computer. To open, I do it the same way. They will be stored on my computer, on this Chromebook. That can be very useful either to save your notes or your text or your books, but also when you do the distance viewing to save what's on the teacher's board or when a friend is having a presentation for you. Another good feature will be the split screen mode. So I can split the screen by pressing the 8, or again it's up all the way to the right there in the icon bar. So I can split the screen and use another program at the same time, maybe taking notes. If I'm only using the short commands, I don't need this icon bar. In that case, I can press Ctrl H to get rid of it, to get a larger view. I'll add it back. The other part I'm going to show you is text-to-speech, OCR. So in all Chromebooks you have something called Chromebox, which is a screen reader that's included in all the Chromebooks. And to do an OCR, what I'm gonna do is I'll get some text in there like that. I hit my button number 4 or the OCR button in the icon bar like that. I go over to, you have the camera and the OCR part here in the software. So I go over to the OCR part. What I'm going to do now is to start the Google Chrome box. I can do that with the short command Ctrl-Alt-Z. And then
OCR, internal link, list item, list, with 3 items. Press search
all I
plus
need to
space
do
to
now
activate.
is
Chrome box
to press the
scripting feedback
text,
is
I
ready.
just scan with the camera and it will start to read it.
HT, grayscale, fully customizable in modes reading, distance, mirror.
So now it's reading the text I just took with my camera. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.